In this series of videos, I'm taking the approach that irregular meters are going to be less familiar to students. But of course, I know a lot of my listeners will be very familiar with them. And in some cases, students show a tendency to play any given piece in an irregular meter, even though it's not notated that way. My general approach is to show them what the rhythm that they're playing looks like. It's a way of validating them. What you're playing has a rhythm and it looks like this. And so let's experiment with that and then go back to what the piece is that you're looking at. So the next clip actually shows me working with a student in just that way. Fantastic. Let's work on that much. You have the skill of playing in 7/8. That is usually an advanced level skill. Students don't usually see that time signature at this point in time. Let me show you what you're doing. Play exactly the way you played again. I'm going to be up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Don't worry about the crossover. Right? So you can hear me count 7 1/8 notes in a row. Do it again just so you hear it. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even though the fourth measure doesn't look like it has 7 beats in it, right? I'm not kidding. 7/8 is kind of a difficult thing that you have to be able to do. I'm going to remind you though of what our triplet rhythm actually sounds like. Okay? Exactly. Now that you've heard it, you're able to copy it right away. That doesn't surprise me. So, the way to get out of that 7/8 mode, save it for later, it's going to be important. But the way you want to get out of that is you want to tell yourselves 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We've switched from 7 to 3. So play that again with me, the new way. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The only way, if your fingers start, then you feel an 8th note pulse and you just kind of follow it for 7 beats. The only way is for you to, just like you were doing, tap 3 regular beats and then fit the rhythm to it. Do it on your own again. What I noticed that time is you actually wanted to tap on the 3rd of the triplet. You locked into it on the last one. But you want the triplet to be over before you tap the next beat. Just do that a couple of times. Right. Again. One more time and keep going with the pattern. I think now you've got it. Your brain is going to have to count 3 beats. Your foot is going to have to tap 3 beats before you start this in order to not do the 7/8. Okay? But save it for later. It's going to be so cool if you save it for later. All right.